الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Today, my dear students, we are going to have a conversation on unit 4. Okay? The conversation is between Fahd and Faisal. They are asking and the attendant answering them about the directions. Okay? We are going to listen to the conversation. Then after that, we are going to discuss some new expressions or vocab to know the meaning of them and answer 3 questions about the conversation. We are going to listen now. Let's start.
I don't know why Google Maps can't find Lakeside Drive. I think we'd better stop and ask directions.
Don't worry, I'm sure I can find it. Let's try going this way.
I think we're lost. Look, there's a gas station. Let's pull over and ask someone.
Oh, all right.
You look lost.
You can say that again. We're looking for Lakeside Drive.
I know this town like the back of my hand, and I can tell you that there's no street by that name. Do you mean Riverside Drive?
Oh, yeah, that must be it. I just got the street name wrong.
Can you tell us how to get there?
It's not far. It's just over on the other side of town. You need to turn left out of here. Then go straight for a couple of miles. Keep going until you see an ice cream shop. If you pass Town Hall, you've gone too far. Take the first left after the ice cream shop, and you'll be on Riverside Drive.
Thanks.
I guess it's a good thing I suggested we stop for directions. We would have been driving in circles for ages.
Don't make a big deal about it. I'm sure I would have figured it out eventually.
Okay. Now we have some expressions to discuss. The first one. You can say that again. You can say that again means I agree with you completely. When you agree about something, you can say that. You can say that again. Okay? Number 2. Know something like the back of my hand. This means I know something very well. Okay? I know something very well. Over here is used to emphasize location. Like when I ask you, where is your car? You can say, it's over there. Okay? So over here is used to emphasize location. Number 4. For ages. For ages means for a very long time. Okay? For a very long time. Make a big deal about. The last one, make a big deal about. Make a big deal about means make something small seem very important. Make something small seem very important. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to have 3 questions about the conversation. The first one. How do Faisal and Fahd react differently to being lost? Fahd wants to stop and ask for directions, but Faisal doesn't. Fahd wants to stop and ask for directions, but Faisal doesn't. The next question, number 2. Why couldn't they find the street they were looking for? Why couldn't they find the street they were looking for? Because they were looking for the wrong street name. They were looking for a street with the name of Lakeside Drive, but the right name was Riverside Drive. Okay? The last question, number 3. How does each of them feel about having stopped to get directions? The answer is, Fahd is glad that they stopped, but Faisal isn't. Fahd is happy and he thinks it's a good thing to stop and ask for directions, but Faisal isn't. Okay? We have reached the end of our lesson today. Thank you and goodbye.